Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will have a full face of nothing new products. So I know guys, I have been MIA again and I don't want to make excuses. I don't want to let you know what was going on because there's really nothing going on. I'm just being lazy. Yeah. But I mean, here we are today. I just want to like film and just sit. I just want to be back here and just kind of put something on my channel. Yeah, just that's that for today. Again, I don't have anything new. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so now we are very up close and personal. And yeah, let's just go ahead and start with our eyes. So I have a quite okay brow day today. I still keep practicing on my brow, but with the hair, let's just ignore that because we're not here for the hair. We are here for the makeup. So you know the drill. Ignore the hair. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start priming our eyes. For the eyeshadow primer, I am going to use the Pro Eyeshadow Primer. You know what? My face is kind of dry. Like it's fall here now. I want something for my face really quick. So I'm gonna use my Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. So now let's do prime our eyeshadow. Prime our eyeshadow. See, it's been a struggle, but yeah, let's go ahead and prime our eyes with the eyeshadow primer from e.l.f. And this is like my favorite eyeshadow primer, and I just love it. It's just so good. It's so lightweight on the eyelids. And alright guys, so I am going to blend this eyeshadow primer with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. It's a little bit dirty, but let's just go ahead. Let's just go with it. My eyeshadow primer. Let's go ahead and move on to our eyeshadow application. So for today's eyeshadow, I have two palettes here with me. This is the Balm Meet Matte Trimony. It looks like, and this guy looks like this. I actually found, oh my god, I actually found this at Ross. And I also have here the After Party Bad Habit eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. Let me just remove the foil. So right there, I kind of want to create like a maybe simple brownish vibe in the eyes today. That's what I wanted. Alright guys, so first shade that I am going to use from this palette is going to be the shade Matlin right here. I like how these names here is right on, like on the bottom of the shades, which is cool. So I like that. And this palette comes in a mirror, so I'm just gonna use the mirror. I hope I'm not trying to cover you because that's not my intention. And this one, I need like more fluffier brush, and I am going to use this is my favorite OG Wet n Wild Crease Brush. I really don't know what to say now guys. Like, I have not been filming in so long and I don't know what to say. So it's kind of like a very cream shade in the lid. It doesn't show any color. The next shade I am going to use is the shade Matte Lopez. I'm talking about this one right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply him into the crease all over. I'm just gonna, the shades are so neutral, as you can see in my lid and in my crease. So guys, I have been just super lazy. Like, there is no really main reason why I should be absent in my channel. I actually filmed or like pre-filmed a dedicated video filming the Makeup Revolution, but I keep watching it and I'm like, should I bother to upload this video, or should I refilm it? Should I upload it? Should I refilm it? I don't know. It's like so weird. I would probably end up filming that because it's been like 2 weeks now that I have not uploaded that, and it just goes to waste. So yeah. Alright guys, so next shade I am going to use is probably Matte Kumar right here in the middle, that red. I don't want to blind you, but that middle brick red right here. Put that on top of the crease. Oh, hello pigmentation. Yes, I'm here for it. You know what guys, I always forgot I need to do my eye tapes from ELF. This is how it looks like, to kind of like help me like reshape my eyeshadow. I have not shown this a lot in my videos, and I feel like it's necessary to kind of like make my eyeshadow application kind of like clean and sleek. It's actually nighttime right now. I'm trying to film because I feel like I owe my channel a lot, so I'm just trying to make up to my channel, and it's actually nighttime here, and I'm trying to put my girls to sleep. And again, they just, for some reason it's Saturday and they just don't want to go to sleep early. Let me know guys if your kids do the same. I feel like they overhyped, because especially when dad is off work the next morning, the next day, my kids just don't want to go to sleep, including my youngest one. So they just get so excited when dad is home. The obsession transfers to him. Oh, that is so pigmented. I'm going to use a smaller crease brush guys, and I'm just going to snatch this shade right here called Matte Rosy. And oh, you see me right there. This mirror is kind of nasty. I don't mind at all, in case you were bothered guys. So I know this one is kind of like really light brown, but I just wanted to kind of like lay that together with a red brick shade that I just put on, and just kind of like concentrate that straight to that shade. What am I gonna say? Does that make sense? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I will probably use shimmers on this one. Unfortunately guys, you cannot be able to get your hands on this one just because this eyeshadow company is out of business. So kind of sad, but yeah. And I am going back to my Wet n Wild crease brush, and I am going to tap just a little bit with the shade Matte Red right here, and I'm just going to just kind of like, or put him on the outer crease. Alright, I think that's good. That's good for now. And I'm gonna move on to this Bad Habit palette, After Party palette, and I am going to use this golden shade right here. It's called Trouble, and I am going to put that all over the lid. Let me just try to use this ELF concealer brush to kind of like pack that shade. Ooh, that pigment, you guys. No, I did not spray my brush. Now let's just take a break from the eyes. Let's just remove this eye tape really quick. And yeah, that's that. I don't know if I'm gonna do some wing liner today. I really not like wing liner because first of all I don't really know how to do it, but yeah, I think wing liner is going to rock this look. But yeah, why did I take off my eye tapes? Oh my god, if I'm gonna do that, like, I'm all over the place guys, so I don't know. Alright guys, so now I'm back. Okay, let me tell you about the wing liner situation. It took me like 20 minutes to try to perfect my wing liner, and it's just not happening today guys, so I'm so sorry. I don't know, like, if I let it stay on, I tried to like have it, make it perfect, or kind of like straight, or not perfect, but you know, we don't do perfect here in this channel, but workable wing liner, but it's not for today. But I use for my lower liner, I use the Physicians Formula. This is the Shimmer Strip Custom Eye Enhancing Extreme Shimmer Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Nude Eyes. And I also, for the top, I am using my e.l.f. Black eyeliner for that one. So yeah, that's that. I'm trying to work on still with my eyeliner, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's just go ahead and move on to the face makeup. So primer today, let's just go ahead and prime our face. I am going to use the KOkie Refresh Hydrating Setting Mist just to kind of like refresh the face. For the primer, guys, I have two primers here. I am going to use my KOkie Smooth Glow Hydrating Primer, and I'm going to use also my Catrice Prime and a Fine Goodbye Pores Primer. So let's just use the Catrice first. I am going to use this specifically for my like T-zones right here, to kind of like some in here in my problematic face. Alright guys, so I went ahead and fast forward this clip of just because I have been talking so much. So basically what I'm saying in this clip is that my skin condition, as you can see, I have a lot of bumps going on. So yeah, that's that. That's it. Let's go ahead and move on to the face or foundation application. Today's foundation, I am going to use my OG NYX Concealer One Stop Foundation. Now, I used to love this foundation, guys. I love the coverage of this from what I remember. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. So, yeah, I'm just gonna pump maybe like 2. Let's do 3. 3 pumps of this in the back of my hand, like so. I did actually color correct, guys. I forgot, but that's okay. I'll skip today. I forgot how I love this foundation, you guys. This has been just like sitting in my collection for a while. Yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Blending this, let's go ahead and move on to our concealer. And for today's concealer, I am going to use the Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. So this is my OG, and this is everything here is my OG, and I am just so excited with this one. This is in a shade 385 Amber, and so let's put that under the eye. And oh my goodness, like this concealer is also no joke. Like, did you see that? It is so good. And ginormo wand, the J, I cannot talk. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and move on to our powder to kind of like set the face. And today I am going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. Let's just go ahead and set that under eye. I am also going to go ahead and blend this out with, I'm sorry guys, with my Real Techniques, their complexion brush, expert face brush. Alright guys, so here today I have the Milani Contour and Highlight Cream Liquid Stick. Probably not gonna use the highlighter today. I am just going to use this contour stick. This is how she looks like. It's actually very light for my skin tone right now, but we'll make it work. As you can see, like my contour is very light. I am so scared to do contouring because first of all, I am not so into contouring. With a good bronze, I am good with it. I think I made a mistake of setting my face in a powder before contouring, because this thing is not a powder contour, it's actually a cream contour. I know I should went in with my KOkie one. I forgot all about that. I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know, guys. I'm so sorry. We'll just see if this will still be together. But for the bronzer, let's just go ahead and bronze the face. I have here the Anastasia powder bronzer. This is in the shade Mahogany, and I love this one so much. Are you kidding? Like, what am I doing right now? Oh my goodness. Alright, let me just go ahead and blend this with my equate. Oh my god, my hair is everywhere and it's so annoying. And I'm just going to like clear. I think actually that's a nice color now. I kind of like see it, which is okay to me. Like, I like that. I like that color now. So that was scary right there. Right, so let's go ahead and move into the blush. So for today's blush, I am going to use my e.l.f. blush palette. I'm probably gonna pick this one here. It's like a toasted, and this one here, and then kind of like blush the face. Look how pretty. It's just so beautiful. Kind of like toasted color blush together. This is very perfect for fall. Next, I am going to move on to my highlighter, and today's highlighter, I have here my mini Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is in the shade Hustler Baby. This is their kilowatt highlighter. This is how it looks like, and then just kind of like, did you just see? I barely like, I can't wait to get a full size of this baby, because it's just beautiful. My battery is low. In a minute, I think I'm gonna be off, so yeah. Ooh, did you see that? Ain't she glowy? I love it. Alright, so delicioso. Let's go ahead and move on to our lip application. And today I have a bold lip. And this lipstick is going to be from AOA Studio. Shop Miss A. If you haven't, go ahead. It's literally $1. So it's amazing. Alright, let's go and tap that with this very bold, kind of like fuchsia magenta kind of. Alright guys, so now this is the final and completed look. My camera died on me when I was doing my liquid lipstick, and so that was that. I charged my battery for like 20 minutes and I finished up the look with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. So that's that. Yeah, I love everything that I use here, and I think the bold lip just make the look, make it like Vavavoom. Bold lip during fall is like your cup of tea. That's what it makes it like lively. And also I changed my top, guys, because the shirt that I was kind of wearing wasn't really going into this look, so I kind of changed for something like sleek. So I love everything. You can go out with this look. You can just have a date night, a girls night out, or event. This is actually could be a go-to look. That's all I have for you today, guys, and thank you again for stopping by. Thank you for sticking out in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.